What's going on, guys? In this video I will show you how to fix error connecting to lockdown error 21 or 19. In this video I will show you two methods to easily fix this problem in CheckRa1n. If the first method doesn't work for you, then try the second method. Alright, as you can see here, I've connected my iPhone X to my Mac, and as you see here, error connecting to lockdown error 21, or you might get error 19 or error 13. Alright guys, to fix this problem, first close CheckRa1n. Now to fix this problem, you need to connect your iOS device to another app such as iTunes, iMazing or iTools Pro. So you will need one of these apps. You will find a link to download these apps below this video. Okay, I will open iMazing. Okay, now connect your iOS device to your Mac, and as you see here, my device is now connected. Now all you have to do is open CheckRa1n and you will find that the problem has been successfully fixed. Alright, now I will open CheckRa1n, and as you see guys, my iPhone X is not supported. Okay, so go to options. Here enable skip A11 BPR check option. Okay, allow untested iOS versions. Now press the back button and you will find that the problem has been fixed. Boom, as you can see guys, now you can jailbreak your device. No more of error connecting to lockdown error 21 or 19 or 13 or whatever it was. The problem has been fixed successfully and easily. Alright guys, this is the first method, and in case it didn't work for you, here is the second method that will undoubtedly work. This method depends on only 3 terminal commands, and it will jailbreak your device via terminal. Alright, the first thing you will do here is open the terminal. Okay, now here in the terminal, type this command and press enter. This is cd command to the CheckRa1n folder. Alright, now type the second command and press enter. This command is chmod space +x space CheckRa1n. Alright, the third and last command here is this /CheckRa1n. Press enter. Now after clicking on enter, the CheckRa1n will work on the terminal. As you can see guys, CheckRa1n now works inside the terminal. Now all you have to do is just enter your iOS device into DFU mode manually or by CheckRa1n version 0.10.2. Okay, I will use CheckRa1n 0.10.2 to put the iPhone into DFU mode. It's easier than the manual method. Alright, I will open CheckRa1n 0.10.2. Okay, I will go to options, allow untested iOS versions. Okay, now press start. Next. Now my device will go into recovery mode. As you see, my device is now in recovery mode. Now press start and follow the steps to enter DFU mode. Once your device enters the DFU mode, close the CheckRa1n version 0.10.2. Or you can close it after the first 5 seconds while continuing to press the volume down button. Once your device enters DFU mode, CheckRa1n will jailbreak your device directly from the terminal. As you see guys, my device is now booting. Just wait a few seconds. And boom, as you can see guys, all done. The jailbreak has been done successfully. As you see, this is how to fix and bypass the lockdown error 21 or whatever it was. Alright guys, make sure that you have the latest version of CheckRa1n and also the version 0.10.2. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.